try to write here in comment reverse string using inbuilt functions, or we can consider inbuilt methods. And these methods are coming from different classes. Like here first we have an approach to use reverse method from string builder class. Okay, so how do we do that? Let me try to utilize your string builder class. Okay, and inside this class we have a method called reverse. All right, so let me try to create the object of string builder, and then after we'll try to utilize string reverse method, which is by default available in the same class. I can give here sb equals new string builder. All right, I have not given here a comment, but you can start from the comments, so one can understand that this class is being applied for to complete the reverse string operation. All right, and here I'll try to declare a string. By default I can say string value equals, I can simply write here suppose I am giving here as automation, like value I'm providing my automation. And now we are going to utilize the inbuilt method from the string builder class. Like we can say sb dot, you can see here there is a method called append, right? We just try to append a value first, like value whatever the string value we have set, we are trying to add in the particular method. We are just trying to use append, so it will be added initially from end to starting point. And now we are trying to use here sb dot, you can see here there is a method called reverse, right? We can simply apply this method. I have not added a comment in each and every line of our code, but we may just try to observe that what actually the operation we are going to perform, it should be executed in correct order or not. Now I try to write here sysout. We are getting the output in a reverse order, so let me try to write here reverse only, or I can say sb, as we have set here sb. Let's try to save our code and check this output. And then see here automation has been transformed into reverse, and here is the solution, right? So by default we have utilized here string builder class, and we have found the solution.